Hello, welcome to Geeta's Maths. Today let us have a class on chapter rectilinear figures. Let me explain you a problem based on rectilinear figures. The problem is ABCD is a square. A is joined to a point P on BC and D is joined to a point Q on AB. If AB is equal to DQ, prove that AB and DQ are perpendicular to each other. From the given information, we have to draw the figure. Unless we draw the figure, we won't be able to understand anything. So let me draw a square ABCD. Let me name it as ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. A is joined to a point P on BC. Let me take a point P on BC. A is joined to P, which lies on BC. A is joined to a point P on BC. And D is joined to a point Q on AB. Let me take a point Q on AB and let me join D and Q as per the given question. Okay then. If AB is equal to DQ, AB is equal to DQ, prove that AB and DQ are perpendicular to each other. That means these two are perpendicular to each other. That means this is 90 degree. We have to prove. Let me name this point of intersection of AB and DQ as O. Okay. Now, let us solve for this. What is given to us is ABCD is a square given. That means, you know that in a square, all the sides are equal. AB, BC, CD, DA, all are equal. And also each angle is 90 degree, we know in a square. Each angle is 90 degree. Okay. So and also given DQ is equal, AP is equal to DQ given, we have to show that angle DOP is 90 degree or AP and DQ are perpendicular to each other. In order to do that, in order to prove that, let us make triangle ADQ and ABP congruent first. So here this question is to prove. So any proof question, what is given, what to proof steps are required. What is given is ABCD is a square given. And also it is given that AP is equal to DQ. AP is equal to DQ given. And we have to prove that AP and DQ are perpendicular to each other. AP is perpendicular to DQ. Or you can write angle DOP is 90 degree. Or you can write this. So next comes actual proof step. So what I said, in order to prove this, let us make triangle ADQ and triangle ABP congruent. In triangle ADQ and triangle ABP, angle DAQ is equal to angle ABP 90 degree. Angle DAQ is equal to angle ABP, that is 90 degree given. And every time, whatever is the reason why 90 degree, but because that is a square. ABCD is a square, so each angle in a square is 90 degree. Given is to be, means reason is to be given, written inside within brackets. And also, it is, we know that in triangle ADQ, AD, in triangle ABP, AB are equal because they are the sides of the square. AD is equal to AB. That is also given because ABCD is a square. And also it is given that DQ is equal to AP. DQ is equal to AP, that is also given to us. That means in both the triangles, right angle, hypotenuse and one side are equal. So triangle ADQ is congruent to triangle ABP under RHS condition. You know that if two triangles are congruent by CP/CTC, remaining parts will be equal. Let me do that by rubbing here. So what to prove? Already written, AB and DQ are perpendicular to each other. We have to prove. Okay. So we made triangle ADQ and triangle ABP congruent. Therefore, angle ADQ is equal to angle BAP by CP/CTC. They are the corresponding angles of these two congruent triangles. Okay. We made ADAB equal. Opposite to AB is this angle P. Opposite to AD is this angle Q. And leaving in this triangle, if you leave this angle, this PAB, and in this triangle, if you leave this angle, angle ADB, angle ADQ and angle PAB, they are corresponding angles of those two triangles. That is, means these two will be equal. But we know that angle PAB, okay, plus angle PAD is equal to 90 degree because angle BAD is 90 degree. Let me write angle BAD is equal to angle DAP, angle BAD equal to angle DAP plus angle PAB plus angle PAB, that equals to 90 degree, that is given. But now just now we have shown that angle ADQ equal to angle BAP. BAP or PAB both are same. BAP or PAB both are same. So let me write angle DAP plus, in place of okay, let me write here angle BAP, okay. Angle BAP equal to angle ADQ, that is 90 degree, because in place of BAP I wrote angle ADQ. Now you see angle DAP means this angle, angle ADQ means this angle. Sum of these two is 90 degree. So in triangle AOD, sum of these two angles is 90 degree. For this triangle AOD, angle DOP is the exterior angle. So in triangle AOD, angle DOP is equal to angle ADO plus, we can say angle ADO or angle ADQ, both are same, okay, plus angle DAO or DAP, both are same. But angle DAP or DAO, this, angle ADO or ADQ, this, equal to 90 degree. That implies angle DOP is 90 degree. That means this angle we got 90 degree. This is 90 degree means AP is perpendicular to DQ. That implies AP is perpendicular to DQ. That is what we have to prove, and the question is the proof. What we have to prove is proved. I hope this is understood. Okay, thank you.